have to give it to you. That is pretty interesting.
Hi guys, this is Cuddles. Cuddles, say hello. Be nice, Cuddles. This is going on YouTube. Now say hello.
I don't know. I tried to find out. I asked
Cuddles, say hello.
saying I love you. That's a good thing, isn't it? It didn't seem like he was telling me because he loves me. It seemed like he was telling me to avoid telling me something else. And
Cuddles.
I kept asking him,
Cuddles.
I kept saying, I love you.
Cuddles.
I would too.
Cuddles.
You know, then he wouldn't say anything, so I'd wait a little bit, and then I'd ask him, I'd say, what are you thinking now? And he would just say he loves me. And that's all he ever really said. Don't look at me. You've had some time. I've only done it one more.
I chopped it again.
Don't get that in her face. She'll whip it out of your hand.
That's Cuddles, the one that just whipped the video camera out of my hand.
I didn't have the best weekend. And now you're off to a bad week. I don't like late.
She barks too.
What?
She barks too.
She's part cat, part dog. No, Cuddles, give us your word on everything.
I don't know that that's bad advice. Yeah, probably wasn't, but it got
Ninja cat, go.
Listen to this.
Speed it up, Cuddles. Speed it up.
That's Gina. That's Nicole. That's me.
Ninja cat. I'm not afraid of this stupid cat.
She thinks sex means, marriage one day.
Ninja cat.
One day, but I changed my mind. Not at the best time. To explain it in terms you would understand, the first half of the game I was playing offense, and the second half I was playing defense. I should have called the game off at halftime. I didn't want to hurt her feelings.
Okay.
Married to her. And you don't have children, so you don't
Foreign cats, go bye-bye.
I hate that cat.
So what I run into you,
Instead of whack-a-mole, it's whack the cat. Whack the cat.
I don't know what I was thinking. No, I know what I was thinking. I was thinking about
Don't hit her too hard.
Never seen her again.
I did it. She was
I want to
freaking.
see her again. The worst.
Ow! That was me. That's what you get for raising the cat. I didn't raise her. We bought her. Yeah, for buying a disease. For buying a diseased cat. That's freaking.
She kept saying, "What are you thinking?"
That's all. Go,
That I really